Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we will show you the product assembly of our Casa 5T core STD. Let's go ahead and open up the product. Let's start with step number 1. For step number 1, you'll need parts 8, 10 and 2 parts number C. Let's go ahead and start now. Step 2, you require parts number 1 and parts number 10. Let's go ahead and assemble them now. Let's start with step number 3. For step 3, you require a certain parts. For step 3, you require 2 parts number 6, a part number 8, part 1, part 2, 6 part A's, and a part E, which is the Allen key. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to do the same for the top half. Step number 4, you'll need 2 parts number 7s and a part number 9. Let's go ahead and install. When installing parts number 7, just make sure you install them the correct way, as there is a 5-degree inclination on these parts here. Because if you do turn it around, you will then see that the balls won't line up flat. So it must be this way here. Let's move on to step number 5. For step 5, you'll require parts number 5 and parts B and an Allen key just to tighten. For step 6, you'll require parts number 3, parts number 4, and 6 parts number A, which are the screws, and an Allen key just to tighten. So when assembling, basically you're just going to put part 3 here and part 4 here. Let's go ahead and install. Step 7. Step 7, this is an optional step, which you'll need parts D, which basically it's an anti-tipping measure part. Basically, you're going to drill a hole into a wall, put in your fisher plug, then there's a strap which goes around here, and you put the screw through the strap into the wall. And that's just an optional step. Thank you for watching our progress semi of our CASA 5T Core STD. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.